In this demo, we feature an ink delivery system. It's connected to an OPC UA server that is in turn connected to a ink delivery system. The OPC UA server is running on a Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is taking proprietary data from an APS serial interface and exposing that data as a series of OPC UA tags. The data that's available for collection is summarized in the application in our slide at the top middle part of the screen. We've enhanced our SCADA application by allowing us to turn the machine off and on, open and close valves, change the temperature of the heater, and so on. We can control the device remotely via SCADA. We'll show in the demo the recording of historical data in the form of a graph. The data that's produced by the ink delivery system is collected by our SCADA software, and it allows us to interact with the system and view the system remotely. In a real system, there would be a number of ink delivery systems, but for purposes of our demo, we'll be featuring just one. In this demonstration, we're looking at an ink delivery system, which is connected to an OPC UA server running on a Raspberry Pi. And we're receiving information about the ink delivery system in the SCADA application, which is displayed in the web page on the left-hand side of the screen. Data is coming from the ink delivery system and being displayed currently in the form of gauges and graphs. And where we're using graphs, data is being recorded separately in a database and can be retrieved later for further use. We have bidirectional control of the ink delivery system, allowing us to use the buttons that we've designed into the application to turn the machine on, to open and close valves, and affect the temperature of the heater. Some static data is available in terms of the machine name and the version, and we're receiving information from various parts of the ink delivery system: meniscus, flow pressure, temperature, ink temperature. And the data is coming back from the ink delivery system in real time. We have bidirectional communication between the SCADA application and the ink delivery system, which is going to allow us to turn the machine on. And we get feedback directly to that because the button has gone from off to on and to green. We can turn a valve on. The heater is turned on automatically because it's detected that the ink temperature is low. We can ask the heater to produce more heat, and that will write a value to the OPC UA server, and the OPC UA server will in turn, over the serial interface, tell the ink delivery system what it needs to do. So there's the SCADA application working in real time, giving us immediate feedback about what's happening to the delivery system across the internet.